Hello everybody, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto, and your tires are super important to us. So that's why we want to let you know that from now until August 31st, we want to make sure you get the best savings on a set of tires that you can from Continental Tire brand. There's currently 19 models of tire that they are offering that if you purchase a set of 4, you can get up to $110 back on a prepaid gift card from Continental. Hey, we're willing to take the guesswork out of it for you. We will help you submit the actual receipts and the application to get that rebate back to make sure that you get your money. So come on down to DeBoer's Auto, have your tires assessed, find out what Continental type tire will work for your vehicle, and let's get you safe on the road while saving you money. We look forward to seeing you soon.